Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce xanthelasma naturally. Xanthelasma are small, yellowish deposits of cholesterol that often form on or around your eyelids. While generally harmless, many seek to diminish their appearance. We will explore several effective, natural strategies focusing on both internal health and external applications. Our goal is to provide you with practical steps to help manage these skin concerns through simple, everyday practices. Let's begin by understanding the core principles. Diet plays a crucial role in managing xanthelasma, as these deposits are linked to cholesterol. Focus on significantly reducing your intake of saturated and trans fats found in processed foods and red meats. Instead, embrace a diet rich in soluble fiber, like that found in oats, apples, and beans, which can help lower bad cholesterol. Also, include sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish or flax seeds, to support heart health. These changes can make a substantial difference. Beyond diet, your lifestyle significantly impacts cholesterol levels and xanthelasma. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, which can improve your lipid profile. Maintaining a healthy body weight is also vital, as excess weight can contribute to higher cholesterol. For some, certain supplements like niacin or red yeast rice might be beneficial, but always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Safety and efficacy are paramount. For external care, some natural topical remedies are often discussed. Applying a small amount of garlic paste or castor oil to the affected area might be considered, but always proceed with extreme caution. It is absolutely essential to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous skin area first to check for any adverse reactions. Ultimately, the most effective long-term strategy involves consistent dietary and lifestyle changes to address the root cause. Patience and persistence are your best allies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.